Dogs are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. They must be God. Cats are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. I must be God. Stuck in the middle of lovers and friends.
I'm going to show you guys the most popular, most asked about tricks that Sirius knows. Sirius, ask command. Free. Talk shit. Talk shit. Wanna fight? Smile. Good boy. Clean up. Good job. Watch me. Close the gate. Good job. Shut the door. Thank you.
Immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
My bedtime is at 8. But I don't go to bed. Cause I'm the boss.
This rainy day is temporary.
Right to me.
Ready?
Yes.
All right.
This is good for you guys. That way you don't have to carry it. You don't have to carry it. Okay, Mom, take it off me. Yeah, no, I don't want it. It stinks.
Oh.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Careful, Winston. Careful, Winston.
My hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet. This is my hair.
Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine.
Are you hungry? 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 Are you hungry?